I'm gonna do a quick hack of the Lowland Kids sleep set. First, I'm just gonna do the top, and then I can do a video of the bottom. So you're just gonna cut out all of your pieces. I've got the back binding. Oops. I've got the front with the front binding. And then based on the measurements for the binding of the shoulders, I cut what the measurement was, 2 inches wide, and then I folded it in half, and I measured the gap distance that they have indicated, and I put a little pin there, so I have that. So first I'm going to do the front and back binding and serge it on. So then I'm going to take the front and the back pieces, put them right sides together, and then go up the sides. So then this is the start of the hack. I'm going to take the bands and put them right sides together. So then I'm going to take my bodice piece, and I'm going to take one of my bands. I'm going to flip it right side out, and I'm going to place that inside. I've left it open so you can see, just putting them right sides together. And now I'm going to start at the seam. I am going to just throw in a little bit of an anchor. Okay, so then I'm going to go out to where that pin is. I'm going to take the top of the binding, place it there, and just kind of pull so it matches up and serge down. And then I will serge over to the next pin. And then again, take the binding piece, or not the binding, the band from the other side and put that where the pin is. Pull that pin out. And then I'm going to do the same thing and just pull it till it meets up and serge down. Okay. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut this tail off. Okay, and that is what it will look like. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. And so this is what it will look like when you are done on your serger. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do the sleeves. So this is what it will end up looking like. And this is where we left off after doing the armbands. So what you're gonna do is fold down that seam, fold it over. That's how it's gonna look when you go through and cover stitch it. I just go little by little, make sure it's lining up, especially on the shoulder gap, so that you don't have fabric of the raw edge, or the raw edge of the fabric sticking through. And there you have it. And then I'll just go ahead and do the lettuce hem. You can do anything else you want, but that is how it looks.